This is a Yamaha natural sound CR-600 receiver, and I'll be posting several images, but I thought I'd do a video just to show more of this receiver. And I really cannot find any cosmetic flaws with this. I'm sure there are under extreme close scrutiny, but I cannot find markings or anything on the faceplate or the knobs or anything. It's just been serviced and cleaned throughout, inside and out, new bulbs. You can see one thing on these. There's a resin from glue that you can see at the bottom of this meter display. You cannot see it unless you're looking straight from top down, but that is something to be noted. Other than that, I really cannot see anything, and you barely notice that unless I just showed it to you. So anyways, it is on the phono right now. As you can see, there's no static on any of the knobs. It's all very clean. It's got this very nice feature with the loudness that is not just on and off. It can be contoured depending on how you like to listen. And right now it's got two phonos on this, so you can run two turntables. Switch it over to FM, and a very nice tuner on it. Extremely sensitive. I'm in a basement here, and that's my antenna. I haven't really extended it. Anyways, I hate the radio. What else can I say? It's pretty much, I'm going to say this is as close to mint as you're going to find one of these. And yeah, it is currently up for sale. The end.